guys, we are on the second part, HTML structures and using lists. Social networking profile. This is the last section I'd gone through, so after this we'll stop resetting the code. But you can see we're going to be linking all the stuff that we did before together. Looks so complicated just right here, but it really isn't. So let's get started. So it's going to ask us to put a title, and we're going to say social networking profile, and then put a picture of yourself or anything you like between the body and body tags. If you can't think of a good picture, we can use this ninja. Alright, just to save a little bit of time, let's go ahead and use this ninja. So let's try and remember image src equals, and remember put the end slash. So there is our ninja. Alright, so create a paragraph below your picture that mentions your age, gender, and hometown. Don't get too carried away. We'll get into your interests, favorite things. Okay, so in the body, below the picture, we're going to create a paragraph. Remember the P and the NP, and say my name is Dylan or Dylan. I'm a male. I'm from LA. Pretty good stuff. Alright, so there we go. Let's reset the code one more time. So pick any topics you like. You should include at least 4. Alright, so it wants us to create an unordered list. Alright, so been doing a lot of gaming stuff, so might as well keep with it. My favorite, my current favorite games. It's an unordered list, yeah. And so then we'll create the /ul here, and then in here we'll create L1. It wants us to include at least 4. So you could go one by one, or sometimes I just prefer to type out the HTML ahead of time, so I make sure before all the text sits in there and starts confusing things up that you at least have your code in the correct spots. So my current favorite games, League of Legends. I like Hearthstone. I'm not putting that on there. I started playing Final Fantasy VII again, so like maybe 2 months ago I played it, but that was cool. I'm playing Boom Beach on my phone, made by the people who make Clash of Clans, and 2048, I guess, mobile games. This is a really bad list, but we'll keep it going for what it is right now. So cool. So our thing is increasing. So next, it wants us to go nuts with your list with lists. Well, only requirement is that you have at least one unordered list and one ordered list and one unordered list. So this is our unordered list. So now let's create an ordered list. So unordered. Now let's create an ordered. So let's create OL. And with 3 interests. Or, actually, it doesn't say, so maybe 1 will be enough. So let's see here, and we'll say OL favorite class subjects, and we'll say HTML. Let's see if that's enough. Oh, 1 unordered list inside your go nuts to the list. The only requirement is that you have at least 1 ordered list and 1 unordered list. and maybe we have to create another UL here. So we'll just copy and paste this, and we'll change this to cities, and we'll say LA, New York, Austin, and we'll say, as soon as I get city, say Portland. So let's see what we're getting stuck on. Remember, unordered lists work like this, so we have our UL and our OL. A list within a list. Is that what it wants us to do? UL, LI interest. Save us some time here. Alright, so there we're going to make sure you have at least one unordered list inside your list. Okay, so we're going to switch this up right now. It really wants us to do some unordered lists. So we have unordered list, favorite class subjects, and then we'll do, oops, we'll do another UL, computer science stuff, and then we'll do see if that works. Alright, now we need one ordered list in our stuff, so we're actually going to get rid of that, and then in here we'll do OL, and then we will do /OL. And it should see list, and you see how it's indented, bam bam, and we should be good to go there. So a little bit of confusion there, but all in all we did just fine. So spice up your profile with different fonts, sizes, and colors. You can do any combination you like as long as you use size. Alright, so we'll just do list style equals font dash size 20px, and then we'll do list style equals color, and we'll do red, and then we'll do list style equals font dash family, and we'll do Arial, and then we'll save and submit, and bam, you can see slowly changed our stuff a little bit there. Alright, how many uses up to you, but you use at least strong and at least once. So let's go ahead and use strong here, because it is going to be the main ordered list title, I guess. So that would make sense. And then we'll use M here for whatever reason. So italicize. And don't forget to close it. Bam. So let's go ahead and take a full screen look at what we have here. So we have our image. We have just a quick paragraph in our header, I believe. And then we start a list. This is unordered, and you can see that we altered it with some styling. And then we made this bold, we made this italicized, and these are all stacked lists. So let's see what's going on in the next course they have to offer, HTML Basics 3. So, so far we've learned how to set up the skeleton and all that sort of stuff. But it looks like we're just going to be taking it to the next level. So next video we'll get a little more in-depth, a little more complicated, and we'll start using table, divs, and spans. So I'll see you guys next time.